There sure are a lot of noises right now in these trees. Sound like a crying baby at first. Just the trees rubbing. And there's supposedly a footbridge here. At least that's what the sign said. So we're on a mission to try to find it. Stick around. You can hear the trees rubbing. Something's knocking in the distance. I wonder if it's Bigfoot. Looks squatchy, right?
Yes, yes it does.
Look, we found the footbridge. So peaceful. We just made it off the footbridge, but the path is so muddy. So we're going to do the path behind us and lead back to the reservoir. There's no good maps here. At least I didn't see one at the trailhead. And no service here, so just going by my 4 sense of direction. This should be fun. Chris gives it 2 thumbs up. Okay. Gotta watch them roots. Well, we have trail markers, so at least that's a good sign. This is pretty. Just walking along the little stream over here. The water's a little stinky though. Kind of smells like fish. Mm-hmm.
You probably didn't hear me. I said rotten fish.
What was that again?
Rotten fish.
Well, I don't want to say what I should be carrying on me, but I probably should be carrying it on me. Heard a weird sound off in the distance. Sound like a sneeze, but maybe it was just trees, maybe it's just my mind playing tricks on me. But need to be a little bit aware. Can't say it out loud. Let's keep walking. Hopefully this hike is a little bit uneventful, other than the beautiful views. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, look, we got a little waterfall thingy. Not really a waterfall thing, but something similar. Maybe not really. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm just babbling at this point. There's Chris, by the way.
What? It's so loud I can't hear him.
I said, there's Chris. We're just being silly now. You can see the reservoir in the distance. I guess we're going the right way.
That's it, right there, that little spot back there. It looks like sky. It's not sky.
Looks like we're coming up to a view. Looks like we're coming to, ouch, the end of the trail in the woods. We're making our way towards the road. Not ideal, but it shall do. Traffic is very loud and moving quite fast. Hopefully there's a shoulder at that time issue.
I'm not a fan of not knowing where you're going, and it's not fun when we don't have service, because then you end up having to walk road with cars and speeding in excess. But the one thing I'll give her credit for, we did do a loop, so there's that. We'll look on the positive side. We're trying to look for an alternate right now. I don't know if we're gonna find one. I don't think we are, so we'll see. We'll let you know.
All right, we're doing this. Chris is gonna let me know if it's doable for me. It's higher than you think, right?
No, you can do it. I'm just worried about the cars. We're at the bottom of the hill, so there's speed.
Uh-huh. Oh, here's one. Easy? Made it. I think there's a car coming. Well, that was interesting. Did that get your heart pumping?
Yeah. We don't want anybody to slow down or move over.
No. Why would
Real
they do
considerate.
that? Well, we made it.